Hi, welcome. Now I am going to show you how to extract email address from classify advertisements. Okay. Now what I have here is the set of classify advertisements like this, and email address appears somewhere in the middle. Okay. How to extract only the email addresses. Okay. So I am going to show you how to extract the email addresses. So first I will copy and paste first, keep the original data. Okay, so this is the original data in column A. Column B is what I'm going to put some operations. Okay, select this. First you will see the email address is here, which yahoo.com and gmail.com, yahoo.co.uk. so you will know what kind of email address you will get. Okay, so first what you need to do is select, go to find, replace, just to put .com star. Okay, equal to .com and replace all. So those after .com I'm just emptying it. I use the wildcard character .com star, so it will identify all the .com stars. Find all those with the .com star and .com and something else after that. So I'm going to empty everything, replace all. Now you see, so already taken out truncated .coms. After .com whatever it is there, it was gone. Okay, similarly for the other type of emails like .co.uk. Replace with the .co.uk, replace all, it gone. You see, similarly you have a yahoo.ca, then you put a .ca, yahoo.ca. okay, something like that. So you remove everything after the .com or .co.uk and so on. Okay, then all the classifieds now ending with the email. Now we need to take out the front part, so every email is separated by a space. So now we are going to take out star space. Okay, and replace. Previously it was .com followed by star, now star followed by space. And you don't replace anything, just leave it. So anything before star space, now you could see all the emails you gathered. So from the classifieds we extracted only the email part. Hope this video is helpful to you to extract emails from the classifieds or whichever list you have. Okay, I hope this could be a starting point for you to how to extract emails. Okay, hope this video is helpful to you, and if you like my video, just subscribe, and God bless you.